Think you're crushing your pull-ups? Most people are actually swinging their way through the rep and calling it strength. If your legs are kicking or your chin is doing all the work, you're not training your back. Let's fix that fast. Mistake 1. Using momentum. Your legs swing, your back arches, and the bar does more work than you. Mistake 2. Elbows flaring. This wrecks your shoulders. Mistake 3. Neck leading the rep. If your chin lunges forward, your spine pays for it. Here's the crazy part. A single tiny cue can instantly make your pull-ups stronger. Step 1. Hang still. Feet together, body tight like a plank. Step 2. Pretend to bend the bar. This switches your lats on. Step 3. Pull your elbows toward your back pockets, not out to the sides. At the top, drive your chest slightly toward the bar, not your chin. On the way down, lower slow and smooth. That's where the strength happens. Checklist. Tight plank body, bend the bar, grip. Elbows down, chest forward. Slow, lower. Now try 5 perfect reps right now and feel how different real form is. Keep practicing. You'll get stronger better than you think.